Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about honey, which is probably found in everyone's kitchen. As we all are aware that there are lots of benefits of honey for our health and skin. This is one of the best home remedies valued since ages. Honey has been used as food and medicine since ancient times. So, let's talk about some of the benefits of honey. Diabetes. Honey is known less bad than sugar for the diabetes patient. It can reduce several risk factors for heart disease, which is common in people with type 2 diabetes. But for people with diabetes, they should consume with caution, as some studies have found that it can also increase blood sugar levels, but does not as much as refined sugar. Number 2. Heal burn and wound. As we all are aware that honey has been used as medicines to treat burn and wounds since ancient Egypt. Many research and studies on honey have proved that honey is the most effective at healing partial thickness burns and wounds that have been infected after surgery. Researchers believe that honey's healing powers come from its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects, as well as its ability to nourish surrounding tissues. So, with a great taste, honey can be used to heal burn and wound too. Number 3. Sleep aid. Having a hard time to sleep at night? Oh well, here is the best home remedies. Honey can be a best health aid for sleepless night. It is quite strange, right? But yes, you can have honey for a sound sleep. Like sugar, honey also causes a rise in insulin and release serotonin, a neurotransmitter that improves mood. Taking a spoonful of honey before bed can help you get restful sleep. So, don't forget to use honey as your sleep medicines. Number 4. Face mask. I guess a lot of people have used honey as a face mask. If you have not, then please try it once, cause you are going to love the results. Honey can hydrate your skin with its moisturizing and soothing effects. You will find your skin soft and glowing after the use of honey. The sugar in honey acts as natural humectants and emollients that increase the water content and reduce dryness in the skin even after they have been washed off. How to use it? Apply raw honey directly on the skin and leave it up to 20 minutes and then wash it off with clean water. One thing you have to be aware is that honey can be allergic to some of the skin. So, make sure by testing small part of your skin before you use it. Number 5. Hair conditioner and lip balm. Have you tried honey as a hair conditioner? Honey is a perfect conditioner because it's a humectant and retains and attracts moisture, keeping your hair feeling smooth and healthy. How to use it? Just mix honey with water to thin it out and spread it around your hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. You can use it twice a week. We are familiar that honey can be used as a lip balm. Who would not have tried putting honey in the lips? The hydrating benefits with enzymes, antioxidants and minerals works well to moisturize lips. Apply raw honey directly to lips. Leave it on for a minute, then wash off. Number 6. Helps treat cough and cold. Research suggests that honey could be effective cough suppressant. Honey was found to reduce nighttime coughing and improve sleep in kids. In one study, children aged 2 and older with upper respiratory tract infections were given up to 2 teaspoons of honey at bedtime. The honey seemed to reduce nighttime coughing and improve sleep. Drink warm lemon water mixed with honey, but never give honey to a child younger than age 1. Number 7. Help lower blood pressure. Honey contains antioxidants which can help to lower blood pressure. This is because it contains antioxidant compounds that have been linked to lower blood pressure. Blood pressure is an important risk factor for heart disease, but honey can be a great use to lower it.